guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nokubonga and you are officially tuned in to Life with Nokubonga mkhabela. Hope you stay, you subscribe and become part of the family. So as you can see, I already did my brows off camera and a little bit of my eyes, and that is because today I am doing a highlighting and contouring tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you a few easy ways of how you can master highlighting and contouring to the F. So if you like that kind of videos, stay. So first thing first, I'm gonna go in with this mark prep and setting spray just to give my face a little bit of life, and then I'm gonna go in with the baby skin instant pore eraser from Maybelline just to mattify my pores a little bit and to make sure that the foundation sits as well as it can be. It's like the importance of good basics. So if your face is well based, then so is your makeup. So now that I'm done with my face prep, I'm just gonna go in with foundation. So foundation today, I'm gonna be using the Fit Me Maybelline New York Made Poreless Normal to Oily Skin in the shade 352. But then, as it says, it is a mattifying poreless foundation, but I sometimes find that it doesn't really mattifies as I want. So because of that, I'm just gonna mix it with the translucent powder, banana powder from Signatures, just to make it more of a mattifying. So this is the mixture of the Maybelline foundation and the powder. Just gonna be mixing it together just to get the mattifying finish. But then this is just optional because depends on how you like the makeup to look. So now I'm just gonna go in with my damp beauty blender and distribute evenly the foundation. So I'm not gonna really explain much about foundation and skin prep because today's video is focused on highlighting and contouring.
Didn't take very long after meeting you for me to make a move. Less than a week.
So now that I'm done with the foundation step and the foundation looks as certifying as I want it to be, I'm just gonna go in with the concealer. So the concealer is used for highlighting, so you're gonna just go with the concealer beneath your eyes, this just waking up your under eyes, especially if you have dark under eyes, and then you highlight your chin above your lips, the bridge of your nose, and a little bit of your forehead. But remember, do not use a lot of product, especially if you aren't good at blending. But then if you know that you can blend out the product really well, then you can just go with as much product as you want. But for blending sakes, using less product helps. So now we're just gonna go in, blend the concealer out, and so as you blend the concealer, don't drag it too much down. Just focus it on your under eye, especially if you aren't gonna be wearing lashes, as I'm not gonna be wearing lashes. Make sure the product is fully blended into your skin. now that we're done with highlighting, we're just gonna go in with a translucent powder or a compound powder underneath all the places that you have used concealer. So I'm just gonna go with the translucent powder and this is just to keep the concealer into place and make sure you look perfect for the contouring. As usual, I'm just gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette. It's a little bit dirty though, from Scarlet Hill, and I'm just gonna use this dark brown color to contour my face. So contouring your face, it's just for giving your face a little bit of shape, like, so you're just gonna focus on your face angles, as in like from your ears towards your mouth and around your forehead. And always do remember to also contour your neck, especially if the foundation you're using it's not of your exact shade. And carefully blend the contour so to avoid it having a lot of harsh straight lines. So now to finish off the whole face, I'm just gonna go back to the compact powder. So now this is how my face looks after contouring and highlighting. So just to finish up my face a little bit, I'm just gonna go on, put a little bit of blush, now I'm just gonna go in with just highlighting my nose. Yes, it's coming together. And now that I'm done with all of that, I'm just gonna go in with this setting spray just to put my makeup into place. Meanwhile it dries, I'm then gonna go in with my nude lipstick from Essence. So this is how the rest of my face looked like. I hope it was as easy as followable as it can possibly be. So hope you did like and enjoy the video. So this is just how my face looks like at the end. See you in my next upload. Bye.
7 days, 7 nights since my